Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
I am running for the position of Vice President and my President is Bongbong Marcos. The presidency was the option for APO-BBM as it was for me. I chose the Vice Presidency. When we agreed to form the unity team of Bongbong Marcos and Sara Duterte, we both agreed to run together with the singular purpose of improving the lives of the Filipinos and making the Philippines a stronger country. Again, I intend to honor the commitment of my parties, the Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats and Hugpong ng Pagbabago. That is to support Bongbong Marcos as President.
Marami sa inyo na tinatanong ako, bakit si BBM? Gusto nyong lapagan ko kayo ng plataforma, gusto nyo na talagang ipipilit ko na dapat si BBM ang presidente. Pero sa totoo lang, ang presidente ko si Sara Duterte naman talaga. The main reason next to PRRD kung bakit naniniwala ako na may pagbabago pa sa Pilipinas. Pero sa recent video niya, ano ba sinabi ni Ma'am Sara? Pinili niya si BBM. At pagmahal mo naman ng isang tao, pipiliin mo na suportahan sila sa gusto nila, di ba? Bakit ba tayo naniniwala kay Ma'am Sara? Di ba dahil mahal natin siya? Di ba dahil suportado natin at alam natin na pag siya ang naging vice president, magiging mas maganda? Kasi at least yung vice president na to hindi tama. So bakit ang hirap at pinipili nyo pa rin ang ibang presidente para kay Ma'am Sara? Does that mean yung love nyo may limits? Does that mean yung love nyo para lang sa inyo? Hindi para sa kapakanan ng napakaraming tao. Love shouldn't be like that. Love should choose to support even when it's hard. Even when there is doubt. Kasi love mo nga eh. Ako, that's how I feel. When Ma'am Sara chose APO-BBM as her president, I did not think twice. Especially when SBG withdrew as president. Kasi wala naman ng ibang choice. Ma'am Sara is safest and can function best as the bestest vice president we will ever have if APO-BBM is her president and our president as well. Mas kaklaruhin ko ba? Bibisayain ko pa ba? Tatagalugin ko pa ba ang mensahe na to? It all boils down to love and loyalty. At least that's it for me. Sasabihin nyo, kailangan kong ilapag ang mga plataforma? Why bother? When the most important thing is that we have a president and a vice president that actually like each other for us to move forward. Because nakita nyo naman nung naging Negatron ang vice president natin, di ba? O sige, okay, may nabago na. But can you imagine the bigger change a unity team can do? Ipipilit nyo na iba ang presidente kay Ma'am Sara. Sige nga. Papayag kayo na mas kay Ma'am Sara ang presidente? Di porket babae sila pareho? Ay hindi pala, kasi sa lineup na yan, dalawa ang lalaki at babae. Pangalawa, no, sige ha, eto naman. Next, pipiliin nyo ba na wala sa kapiranggot sa kakayahan ni Ma'am Sara bilang mayor man lang ang magiging presidente niya? Ang laking ito naman sana noon. Okay, he's a better dancer than Ma'am Sara, pero leading the country does not require a macho dancer. Pangatlo. Pang-apat, yung pinaka-least winnable na candidate, ipapares mo kay Ma'am Sara? I agree. Siya naman talaga yung pinaka-worthy na number 2 kung hindi lang din niya ginago ang buhay ng uncle ko. Pero the reality is, BBM only. Ayaw niyo mang maniwala sa akin? Pero para sa akin, that's my choice. And that is the choice I am bringing on May 9. That I trust Ma'am Sara most. And she knows what she is doing, not because I love her. Eh kayo, dahil para sa inyo, hindi pwede ang talaga lang. Yan lang talaga. Concrete reason. Hahanapan nyo ng diploma, hahanapan nyo ng mali. Eh bes, sa kanilang lahat, siya lang naman ang pinaka-chill. And we need a chill na presidente. Kayo lang din. Gusto ko lang din na isipin nyo ang mga bagay-bagay. Bago nyo ipipilit ang mga gusto nyo na pansariling interes lang ang habol nyo. Diyan tayo magkaiba. Ingat! Mwah! Uniteam only. Okay?
Hi guys, miss me? So I spent a week in Davao City. I started campaigning for Ma'am Sara there, and I came home and went straight to Dinagat Island for a little bit of gugma. Obviously, a girl needs to recharge. And then I came home, I did an interview with Chito Samantina. It came out and it became viral. Thank you so much for your support. And then gusto ko lang talagang kumustahin ang mga hindi in-endorso ng PDB Laban today. Kumusta yung mga nag-expect sa sinabi ni President Duterte na dapat abogado yung maging presidente ng Pilipinas? Nag-expect mo, no? O tapos? Kayo in-endorso. Kayo ang pinili, hindi kayo ang pinili. Zay! It's gonna be Marcos. The last man standing is a Marcos. If you're talking about the last man standing as a woman, it's not gonna be in 2022, it's gonna be in 2028. How are you? How are you and your fake Sakura flowers and the Emerald Avenue that you left after your rally? How are you and your cohorts that think that you're ever going to get married at a time when your mother becomes president? She's never going to be president, so it means you're never going to get married. And if you're not going to get married, then you can't have children. And therefore, you can't multiply. So thank God for that. Do as I do. Choose whoever you want to love and love whoever that is, regardless of who the president is. Huwag nyo naman sanang iasa yan sa mga politiko. Kasi naman at the end of the day, sariling sikap pa din naman to, mga besh at mga bahay.